Alrighty guys, so I'm organizing here. I got this cabinet looking good. So I had a bunch of medicines stacked right here and herbs, and then that's organized up there with that little corner thing. So I have some dishes to put away, but this is usually full, so that's nice. What I put everything right here on this little shelf. See? It doesn't look pretty, but at least it's, you know, I have to be able to get to these things because a lot of them are supplements for me, Shandon's medicine, and then more supplements and coffee stuff. So the best spot for it by the coffee pot I go to every morning. So I could make a little curtain, you know, like sew a little curtain, and I might just do that. Make it look pretty, but for right now that's how it's going to be. So now I'm going to mount these. I got my drill. I got a cement drill bit right here. Gonna clean this up. I'm gonna mount these first. I was gonna paint them, but they about match my oven, so I don't need to paint them. So I'm gonna figure out, I have to stagger them because they won't fit right next to each other. They're just like an inch too long. So I'm gonna see how I could stagger these. And if I go like this, the bigger bottles will still fit up under the hood. So I'm going to see what I could do here. So we're going to do that. And then when I figure that out, we'll start drilling. Alright, so we got our drill bit. And then when you're drilling into masonry products, I don't know why my lighting is so bright in this kitchen. Anyways, okay. So we got our drill bit. And when you're drilling into masonry products such as brick or tile, you want a masonry drill bit. Okay, I have one that I use for installing my TV into brick. So hopefully it's not too worn out. It's it looks pretty sharp still, so hopefully it'll do. Now, to make it easy for you to know the depth you want your screws to go, we're gonna do these screws. Now usually you can there's screws that are masonry screws that you don't have to use these, but I don't have any right now. The ones I have are really long. So anyways, these will be fine. We can put this in there and then it should hold just fine because the spices aren't going to be weighing too much. So but we need to know the depth to drill. So the depth we're going to drill, we're going to tape. So we'll tape how far we need to drill in, okay? So we'll go on our drill bit, put this right here. You want to go a little bit past, just a little past where you need to be, okay? Just a little past the point, not too much. That way your insert, there, see, mark it, and that's what we'll go right there. That way we know, we'll take this, how far to go in, okay? So, I'm going to be able to put 4 up, so I marked about where I want the first one to be. So my plan is to drill it, the first one, then hook it on, and then level it and drill the second one. So we'll do that. Hopefully it goes right. Now you can put tape on the hole to keep from drilling, to keep from the tile splintering, because tile will splinter sometimes, but I'm hoping this doesn't, but we'll see. I'm gonna double check where I need to be here. Yes, at about the center. I think I did about the center. So how I measured is like this. Alright, we got enough going on here, enough room. So, alright, we're gonna go the top of this. We want to make sure it's like all the way over to the edge. Alright. Okay, let's hopefully perfecto. But yeah, no flaking or anything, so we're gonna insert this and hopefully the screw. Let's get a screwdriver here. Alright, so we're gonna screw this one side in. Hopefully, you know, let me put, I hate to drop the screw behind the oven. Let's take precautions. Put something right here. I don't drop the screw behind this oven. Put this box right here. That should do it. Okay. I better not drop this screw behind the oven here. Alright, let's get this put in the screwdriver. I wish I had a magnetic screwdriver. It's very helpful when you're doing stuff that you don't want to drop, which I just dropped it. Okay, get these seasonings. I have this stuff here for heavy measure. Alright. Oh, yay, got it in. Alright, let's go ahead. And I'm going to fill these holes with something. I'm just not sure what yet. Hopefully we drilled it deep enough. For sure we did. Then we'll level it and drill the next hole. Okay, I'm not going to tighten it all the way yet. Let's level it, mark it, and then we'll drill the next hole. Get this out of the way and go ahead and drill bits can get really hot, so if you're drilling into something that's pretty tough, you're gonna have to take a break or your drill bit will snap, okay? But got that. Let's go ahead and put this in here. Put this piece in here. Alright, that looks good. Go ahead and enter this. Start screwing that in. Now I have to stagger these in order to fit a shelf side by side, so this one's going to be a little bit higher than the one next to it. This was a good deal. 3 shelves in a box for $9. Now we can tighten it down. Now we can tighten it. There we go. Alright, let's see. Yeah, man. Yeah. See, I wanted to be able to fit these right here. We're putting this one right here because it has to be staggered. Fit just under. So we'll have to do that. We'll tighten this one up here. We'll tighten this one up a bit here. Let's make sure it's level before I tighten it. I need to get a different screwdriver. Alright, that's level. That is level. Alright, let me get another screwdriver to tighten it. And this one doesn't work very good. It's interesting how different screwdrivers have different, basically different functions. That one's too little. This one's better. This one has to be big enough to fit the head. All right. Okay. There we go. Well, the next one. Next one. It's going right here. Bam. Just right there. Right at the edge. Okay. So we're going to do this part first, right here. Done. Let it rest because it's probably hot. You can burn yourself touching that. All right, go ahead and put this one on. And then we'll, I think this line is pretty level. I don't think I need to do anything. Let's just make sure. Make sure. Yeah, it's perfect. Perfect. Go ahead and do this one. Let's go ahead and do this one right here. Maybe you can see better than me from this vantage point. Alright, so we're going to do right there. There we go. Think it looks good. Looks good. All right, let's put it on. All right, put it on. It's leveled. Look at this fits over here. This fits right here. I've been meaning to do this for so long. It's been years since I took that microwave down, and finally getting around to it. I'm so excited to have my spices right at my hands. So let's get these last two down. We got dust everywhere though. Alright, so we got these ones we don't have to stagger because I can kind of go this way if I wanted to. If I wanted to, just a little bit under the cabinet, you know? So we're going to do these ones. And let's take I got a lot of tall spices. I buy in bulk. So take that big old bottle. Let's see where this is. That's perfect right here. Boom. Right in the grout. Let's go above the grout a little bit. Let's go above the grout because I'm not sure how to hold in the grout. If you're screwing into stuff, you kind of don't want to screw into the masonry part because that's more crumbly and less sturdy. So some people think it's easier, which it is, but it's more likely to pull out and dissolve. Okay, so we got our holes marked, dotted up. So just 4 more. I'm going just under the grout line on both of them, I decided. That way. Okay. Alright. Let's get this one in right here. There we go. we'll level it. Make sure it's level. Let me screw this one in. There we go. It's level right there. All right. There we go. Let's make sure this is tight. Okay. We got our basil there. Cool. Now let's do the next one. Last one. Level, level. All right, guys, look at that now. Look at that. I'm so excited to have more cabinet space for my spices. I might buy that little shelf that I see that would go right here just to put little things, but I don't know. I think I don't need to do that. But it looks good. All right, so I had some plumber's putty. I was like, you know, I should have just done it a long time ago, but I plugged these holes with plumber's putty. So now I'm not going to be losing any heat anymore to the walls in the winter time. All right, let me put these spices on. I'll show you. Hey, I got a lot of spices out of my cabinet. I still got a lot more. But these are the bigger ones and stuff, so now I have more room. I think I can fit all my spices on the top and bottom shelf, and then I can clear this out for something else, possibly more canned goods, you know, so, or probably baking dishes. Maybe I need more room for my baking dishes or Tupperware. I don't know, but I am gonna be able to get a shelf cleared out most likely, so that's cool. But yeah, that looks so much better than just I have to clean up still, than just a wall with holes. I put that plumber's putty on there, and that should be fine because you won't be able to see it. Yay! And then look at this, has hooks, and I have 2 extra shelves. It came with 3 in a box, so I have 2 extra shelves, and these ones are wide enough. I don't know what brand it was. But this is what they look like. They were very wide enough, like over 4 inches to accommodate these big old bottles. So, and then I got my stuff over here. I don't know, I'm trying to utilize my space. So, that's how you put shelves in your tile above your oven. I'm trying to find the box. I think, what does the box say, the name of the product? Here we go. I found the box. The box says, okay, the product number says X002Y9PZUB. And I'm so blind. Here, I'll let you read it. How about that? Made in China, guys, so sometimes it just can't be helped, you know what I mean? Because I don't make much in America that fits things that need to be fit, but yeah. So AU Alluvial Spice Rack contains 3. So yep. So I'm gonna finish cleaning up and then I'm gonna start canning. I'll just talk to you later. Peace.